Hello all, this is me Narendra, Microsoft AWS certified professional with more than 9 years of experience in IT industry. Hope you all are safe and sound. I welcome you all to my channel BrotherN. If you are here after watching my last video on AZ900, thank you very much for checking out this video also, and I assure you that you are at the right place. And big thank you to all my new subscribers. Let's learn and grow together. And if you are a new viewer, a warm welcome to you and a happy learning. Okay, so let's get started. There is no prerequisite to attend this certification as this is for beginner level, but it is good to have basic IT knowledge and understanding of technical terminology. These are the topics that will be covered in the certification. So describe the concept of security, compliance and identity will have 10 to 15% of weight in the exam. So describe the capabilities of Microsoft Identity and Access Management Solutions will have 25 to 30% of exam weight. So describe the capabilities of Microsoft Security Solutions will have 25 to 30% of weight in the exam. Describe the capabilities of Microsoft Compliance Solution will have 25 to 30% of the weight. So you need to prepare accordingly for your examinations. Go through the Microsoft learning portal, which is available for free, then come to this dumps, go through the video. If I'm too fast or too slow, pause it, repeat it, keep watching, and it will be clear. So let's jump into the questions now. What can you use to provision Azure resources across multiple subscriptions in a consistent manner? So the answer would be Azure Blueprint. So its correct answer is B. What is a use case for implementing information barriers policies in Microsoft 365? So the answer would be to restrict Microsoft Exchange Online email between certain groups with an organization. So the answer is C. And before we jump into next question, I just want you all to quickly subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to create a new content and share my knowledge with you all. Thank you once again. So let's go again back to the questions. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Note each correct selection is worth 1 point. So these type of models you will get in the exam. So you need to select it appropriately. So I'll directly go to the answer statements. So the answer would be like it's true or false. So we need to select it accordingly. Azure policy supports automatically remediation. Yes, it supports automatically. So it's correct. Azure policy can be used to ensure that new resources adhere to corporate standards. Correct, this is also. So we'll select yes. Compliance evaluation in Azure policy occurs only when a target resources is created or modified. So this is wrong. So it will be no. Again, it's the same type of questions. It's the same pattern. Yes or no, we need to select it. So I'll go directly to the statements. Compliance manager tracks only customer managed controls. No. Compliance manager provides predefined templates for creating assessment. Yes, this is true. Compliance manager can help you access whether data adheres to specific data protection standards. So this is also correct. So it would be yes. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. So this is another type of the question. So we'll have a drop downs. There will be a sentence and in between there will be a drop down. So we need to select it appropriately. So let's read it out. Compliance manager accesses compliance data. Drop down for an organization. So we need to fill with the correct one. Compliance manager accesses compliance data continually for an organization. Which Microsoft 365 Compliance Center features can you use to identify all the documents on a Microsoft SharePoint online site that contains a specific keyword? Audit, Compliance Manager, Content Search, Alerts. So the right answer would be alerts. So sorry, it should be Content Search. So the correct answer is C. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. So again here there is a drop down in between of the sentence. We need to select appropriately. So you can use incidents in the Microsoft 365 Security Center to view an aggregation of alerts that related to the same attack. What are two capabilities of Microsoft Defender for endpoint? Each correct selection presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. So the A would be automated investigation and remediation, B transport encryption, C shadow IT detection, D attack service reduction. So the correct answer is like we can it says we can select multiple questions here. So answer, sorry. So the answer would be automated investigation and remediation A, and D attack service reduction. So this will complete this and this question's answer. So the answer is A and D. What should you use in Microsoft 365 Security Center to view security trends and attack the protection status of identities? So options are attack simulators, reports, hunting, incidents. So the correct answer is reports, B. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Hot area. So the sentence is like, is a cloud native security information and event management and security orchestration automated responses SOAR solutions used to provide a single solution for alert detection, threat visibility, proactive hunting, and threat response. So this is Azure Sentinel. Okay, the correct answer from the drop down we need to select is Azure Sentinel. So let's go to the next question. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. So we need to be careful. So each one selection will give you a 1 point. Azure Active Directory identity protection can add users to groups based on the user risk level. No, this is wrong. Azure Active Directory (Azure AD) identity protection can detect whether user credentials were leaked to the public. Yes, this is correct. We can identify. Azure Active Directory (Azure AD) identity protection can be used to evoke multi-factor authentication based on user's risk level. Correct. This is also we can do it from Azure Active Directory. So this is true. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. Again, here from the drop down we need to select it. Requires additional verification such as verification code sent to a mobile phone. So we can't do that from single sign-on, password, write back, pass-through authentication. We can't do through these. So the answer is multi-factor authentication requires additional verification such as verification code sent to the mobile phone. So the next question is, which Microsoft 365 compliance feature can you use to encrypt content automatically based on specific conditions? Content search, sensitivity labels, retention policies, e-discovery. So the correct answer is sensitivity label. Okay, we are done here with the part 2 of Q&A for SC 900 certification. You should be able to clear this certification with more than 800 marks now. So that is a part 1 and part 2. Go through both videos, repeat it, and I'm sure you can clear this exam with more than 800 marks. Until you are not confident enough, keep reading, go through the Microsoft study material which is available for free in the Microsoft site. Once you are done with those, attend the certification without any delay. I wish you all the very best. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press that bell icon, because if you press that, then whenever I post a new video, you will get the update immediately. If you haven't done, okay. Uh, I will try to get it. If you are looking for any new question and answer or any certifications related, if you have any questions, you can comment below. I'll get it for you. Share this video with your friends who are looking for SC900 dumps. I will see you all soon in next video. That will be about AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals. Until that, keep learning, keep growing, and keep supporting. Signing off, Narendra. Peace.